Hey guys, I'm going to show you something. Before I start this video, this is going to be very loud. Hulk smash! Smash! Now I'll show you what I did. Hulk smash! It only works when it's on. Quick vid. This is a shop vac. So, watch carefully. Okay guys, the dust is just going. That's how to make a dust machine out of your shop vacuum. Quick vid. It's okay, so bye guys. I gotta go watch the TM live stream. Because he's live streaming right now. He's playing Fortnite on Nintendo Switch, which I might get a Nintendo Switch soon. So, yeah. Every night I see you walking into my room while I'm playing Minecraft. Minecraft Xbox Edition is the best for me. NDS. Those are the only two Minecraft things I have. So, bye guys. Don't hit your shop vac saying Hulk smash. Bad times.